If you don't have any money to start selling, do this. Clean out your house. See this? I got a bunch of junk here. Like Nintendo games, these actually sell pretty well. Comic books, anything nostalgic. I'm gonna show you how to actually price it. This app, eBay, you wanna look up a price, this is the easiest way to do it. From the app, you're gonna search for the title of the item that you wanna sell. Here, you're gonna click filter and scroll down to sold and completed items. Click that. On the next page, you're gonna see your item and what it has been selling for over the last few months. Next place you can look is Amazon. Look at least a couple places, and then you can actually search by doing this on Facebook Marketplace. From the Facebook app, click Marketplace, then select Selling. On this page, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find Explore Sold Items. Click here, enter in your keywords, and you will see the items that have been selling and their last sold price. What do you do if you ran out of things to sell? Here's a few ideas to help you get started when you're out of things. Here's a few ideas from what I've done. You want to start thinking of people you know, people with talents, with stuff, or the business who need to move some stuff. Maybe a yard sale. Work for commissions, offer to take pictures, listings, calls, and handle pickups. There's a few things though that you're gonna have to do to get the most out of your posts and items that you have for sale. First thing you need to do though is get yourself something you can take good pictures with. And then you're gonna wanna get yourself something like a light. You can double this if you're making YouTube videos of your pictures or whatnot. Granted, it takes a long time to get started from zero, but if you have a little bit of cash, $100 to $500, do this. Open up your search engine and type in townwide garage sales near you. I live in Massachusetts. Search these websites. They're gonna give you lists of yard sales that are happening in your area, especially townwide ones. Search the sites and they'll give you locations on a map of where you can go. If that doesn't work, go to Facebook, type in townwide yard sales near me. Groups will pop up and you'll see the dates in your local area. I actually learned this from Gary Vee.
Here's how I turned $130 to the potential $1,900 on one day of garage selling. But more importantly, how you can too.
Yeah, that guy. Why would a near billionaire go out and... This article walks through the different steps he uses to actually go through and start yard selling, and he illustrates this in his show, Trash Talk. Yard sale, you can get items for next to nothing, especially if you know different niches. But a townwide yard sale will give you the chance to hit up 10, 20, up to 50 houses in one day. You could take your $100 and turn it into $1,000 very, very quickly, and I think you could do that this summer, even if you have little or no experience. I have all of the references, links, free websites to start, and links to finding wholesalers all in the description below this video. What you can do now is check out this cool example of how much I actually sold in 1 week by selling for a friend. It's actually a really great video just to get your mind going on what is possible this summer.